Hello students, today we are taking chapter 1 and then we are doing the revision of chapter 1. Rationalize the denominator. It is very much important type. 100% question will be asked on this. Rationalize the denominator. What is the method? What you will do, rationalize the denominator. You have to remove the root sign from the denominator. So now today we'll discuss two types are there. One, when in denominator two terms are there, and then second, when in denominator three terms are there. Out of two, anyone will come in exam. This method you have to revise. Statement may be changed. Now, first part, what is saying? Rationalize the denominator. Root 3 plus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. So by rationalize the denominator by RTD. So root 3 plus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. If minus is there, multiply and divide by root 3 plus 2, root 3 plus 2. Minus, then with plus. So now you see it is a plus b, then a plus b whole square. Now downside you see a minus b, a plus b, then it is a minus b, a plus b. So it is a square minus b square. So what you will do? You can see a plus b whole square, very simple, you know. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This square root cancel. This square root cancel. So 3 plus 2. This is 3 plus 2. 2 and then these are two irrational number. Multiply 3 minus 2, 1. Clear this? So, my dear students, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2 root 6, 1. So, 5 plus 2 root 6 is the answer of the part 1. As we are told, rationalize the denominator. When two terms are there in the denominator, then change the sign, then you will get the answer. Very simple. Now, one more. Second part. What is second part? When in denominator three terms are there. When three terms are there, so my dear students, all you will do, now simple, first you take first two term as a one part. Yes, one term. So root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. Now simple way, it is a, it is b, a plus b. So by RTD, the same method, it is a plus b. Now multiply and divide by, change the sign, minus root 5, 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. So my dear friends, only one step you have to learn. If three terms are there, what you will do? You take 2 in a bracket, it is a, it is b. So a plus b, a minus b, then it is simple as we have done last sum. So root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 into 1 as it is. So this is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, and then it is a square minus b square. Get this? So my dear friends, it is root 2, root 3 minus root 5. It is in denominator a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, you know, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus root 5 square. So when single square root cancel, now it is square root cancel, you know very well from the exponents chapter also it was discussed. Square root always cancel. So 2 plus 3, 5, root 2 into root 3, root 6 minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 cancel. So this is root 2, root 3 minus root 5 upon 2 root 6. Understand? So my dear students, here root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 2 root 6 is not the answer, because I have told in the starting what is the method of the rationalize the denominator means. We have to remove the root sign from the denominator. But here, even now, root is here. So what you will do? Again, you will rationalize the denominator. So again you do by RTD. By rationalize the, you can write 2 root 3, 2 root 6, multiply 2 root 6, divide. Or single term also you can take root 6 upon root 6. There will be no problem. So now, first denominator 2 root 6, 2 root 6 square. Now upside, you see root 6 into 2, root 12, root 6 into root 3, root 18, 6 5 is 30. So my dear students, it is 12. So now factors of 12, 2 6 are 2 3 are. Now pair of 2, just you can say, you know the square root, just like this one. So it is a pair and then it is 2 root 3. So root 12 you can write 2 root 3, root 18. 18 root factors, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja. So this is 3 outside, then 3 root 2. And now 30, if you see 30, so 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, no pair of any prime number, so no one number will come outside. So as it is, you write root 30. So now up downside, square root cancel. So my dear students, 2 root 3, 3 root 2 minus root 30 upon 12 is the answer. Clear this? So why it is answer? Because I simplified also, and then you see from the denominator, you see root symbol is not here. So this I have revised today. If in the denominator 2 terms, then how to rationalize? If 3 terms are there, how to rationalize? Means we have to remove the root symbol from the denominator. So my dear student, there are so many types are there in extra question. So today you revise from extra. Thank you. Have a good day.